Hey guys, what's up? G.I. Joe here with Geddie Images. We have a new egg package to open today, and this is my capture card for Switch gameplay. So let's get into it and open this up, see everything came in, not any damage, all that stuff. Once you know, you knew egg, right? That's their slogan. It's like we got a lot of air pillow thingies in here, and a HDMI cable. This was just in case I wanted to do capture on the graphics card, because one end goes to the graphics card and one end goes to the modular card here, which I got this version. This is the HD60 Pro that you mount inside on the Mobo instead of there's also a version that's used the USB. And we got some gift card stuff. If anybody wants that code, you can get that, because I'm not going to use it. HelloFresh, there you go. Go claim that if you want it. $50 gift card. You're welcome. And got some Harry's shaving butter stuff. Another offer right there. We'll do that. I guess that's the same code. If you want to read that, just pause it. Okay. Throw that aside, and we'll get into actually opening this. We already know that's the HDMI cable, so throw that aside. This is what's in this box, guys. And later in the video, I'll try to show the actual installation of this, maybe. I don't think I can fit my computer right here on the desk. I'll have to just kind of freestyle it with the camera mount. There we go. There's the back if you want to kind of read that sideways, but the best way I can show it. I could do it like this though. There's that. Okay, that was just a sleeve. Here's the inner box with the HD60 Pro in there. Kind of read that if you want to, but this looks open. Just pull it directly out. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of mount this away from my graphics card. I got two slots that have these pins, and I'm gonna kind of mount it below, because since I have two of them, away from the fans, because I don't want to get in the way of the cooling on my GPU. I also got this little badge here. I'm gonna put this on the case. Get a little metal logo there showing we have, there's a 3M sticky on that. Nice little badge there. Check that out. Behind here we have the Elgato HDMI cable. Looks like some instructions right there. So that's really all there is in this thing. I bet a lot of people are wondering, does this thing have a HDMI cable? Well, yes, it does come with one. Why I didn't order an extra one. I'm just going to use the one the Switch provided, because you have to have two to make this work. You got an in and an out, like it says right there. And the hookup for that, I'll show a little picture or graphic or something for that. And that's the frame, the mounting bracket for that. And I'm just going to leave it in the, well, I'll take it out just to show you. I got to take it out anyway. So slide that out, and this is the thing right here. Check that out. And we got the front there. So I'll be mounting that in my computer and hopefully be able to show you that. So here we go. Let's go do that, guys. Put it in and see if it works. Okay guys, we're about to hook this up. Here's my computer, what we're going to be putting this into, and I'm going to switch to light mode so we can see where we're going to be putting this. Okay guys, got my computer case off of the thing here. We're going to be using like that right there because there's another one that's up there just right up on the GPU here. It's too close, so I'm just going to put it right there. And I've already taken loose the bracket there, so we're going to take this out. This is the slot, the dummy little cover there that keeps that covered up, letting dust in and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to shut down the computer. Just going to shut down Windows, turn off the power to everything. We're going to hook up the HD60 Pro. After I delete all the power, I'm going to turn off the PSU power supply unit. Hold down the power button. Get rid of all the power. Maybe as soon as it gets ready to shut down, we'll do that. There we go. Alright, turn my rocker switch off. I'm just going to unplug it to be safe. Hold the power button down for a few seconds, leave that power out. Kitty. Now we got our part here. Take that out. And we're going to insert it the way it's supposed to go. There we go. I don't know what was hanging up, but there we go. Got the seat. Now we gotta get our retaining screw, put one back to hold this in place. It took forever. This stuff is really picky about how it wants to go in. It's still being picky. Let me get my driver here. Okay, I got it started there on the Phillips. You can see right there, I'm just tightening that up. Okay, so we'll just take this phone out of the holder and just show you what we did. So right in there you'll see I mounted it on that one. That's one I was talking about. Too close. See how close that is? It's way too close. I put it way down here. That is the Elgato HD60. And got liquid cooling and stuff, but here's the where I was operating was that little screw right there, all those mount on there. And then we got our in and out, which I'll send a link to a little graphic if you ever need to see how that works, the switch hookup and all that stuff. Not really going to go into depth on it, but that's how you hook it up. And we've likely got to go online and get some software to do this. Okay, about to power up. Here we go. I can put the case cover on anytime. There we go. The Elgato seated in there. Got RGB lighting on this thing. So that's all there is to it. As far as the hardware hookup, now we gotta program it. Okay guys, now that we have got that installed, let's go into Elgato Game Capture. And this is what it looks like right here. Okay, you'll see this. If you don't have your switch on, you need to power it on, so we'll do that. And on my TV, I'm on a TV for my computer, so it changes the output. You just gotta change the source back because the switch automatically does it for some reason. And of course, you may not see that on mine, but that's just what it does. And started full screen there because I got it on full screen mode. And you do that, you can play full screen while recording, but while I'm doing it, I'm just going to leave it off unless I just want to play without recording or anything. There it goes again. So pretty much you hit that maximize, it's going to do that. So to start this off, we're going to turn on our Joy-Cons. And now our sound's coming through. On the right you'll see everything. If you want to get your commentary going, you need to go down to the bottom here. With that, now my voice is coming through on two sources. So start recording. And this is just a test for me also. We'll go to Sonic Mania and start that up. So I got Sega. Let Sega play, but adjust this volume just a little bit. That's a little better. About 32, 72. And from here on, we're going to swap over to the actual recording of the Switch while we play. We'll just do like maybe a minute or two in this mode, and then we'll switch over just to show the quality of it. So let's do that. We just time warped back into Green Hill Zone. Alright, here we go. Invincibility. I love the drop dash, it's pretty awesome. I like to jump in a minute. Almost at the end of a loop, it gives you a lot of speed boost. There's something up there. Right here is always tricky. Alright, we're going to switch over to the actual gameplay. So let's do that. Oh god, this is trippy. I remember this kind of stuff from one of the Sonic games. I can't remember if it was... I know Sonic 2 is pretty crazy. I don't know what this is from. Maybe Sonic CD. On the Sega Saturn. If anybody remembers that. Gotta catch this... whatever the heck this thing is. Robot. From heck. Rings is what gives you more time, looks like. Already going so fast, can't even control Sonic. We got him. There we go. Sorry if there's like noise in the background. My air conditioner's running and it's really hot, so I had to run it. So So I'll probably record at night sometimes when it's not so hot. Living in the south is not easy because it's always hot. It's even hot in fall sometimes. There we go. Oh, then this right here is... That's gonna probably kill my invincibility though. Blue spheres from Sonic 3. Sonic 3 and Knuckles. Which is probably what you guys wondering, where's all this crazy music lately coming from? This is the game series Sonic the Hedgehog. Has some of the best audio in the old games. Hands down, yeah. I grew up on this stuff, so that's why I love playing it. Sometimes. This used to make me sick doing this stuff when I was a kid. Oh well. Usually I can do a little better. Then we were at the boss. You got me there. That got me. We got him on that though. Alright guys, that's just a demo. Just wanted to show you how the capture works. And that's all there is to it. So hope this helped out anybody. And have a great day guys. We'll see ya.